in terms of back to work time, if I have a desk job, what am I looking at? How much time should I plan on taking off for that kind of, largely sedentary job?
Sure. So for desk workers, we've had patients go back as soon as 2 to 3 weeks after the surgery, as long as they've focused really well in that first 2 weeks and getting their motion and their strength back to where it should be. It's okay to go back to those sorts of things. Many desk workers can also work from home. Their employers allow that, and as long as we're not using any kind of medications to inhibit that, which we rarely are, patients are able to participate in those home work environments quite easily.
Now, if I'm a little bit more on my feet, like a waitress or a teacher or someone who's walking is an inherent part of their work. Is it the same or longer recovery?
I typically recommend patients take that 6 weeks to get through that full strengthening phase if you have to be on your feet throughout your entire time of working.
Hmm.
This just makes it a lot easier for you to transition back into work and much less likely that you'll have to slip back out of work in order to perform more recovery exercise.